Let's look at best practices for pre-cleaner maintenance. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Your equipment's pre-cleaner gives your engine air filters 3 or more times longer life. It does this by getting rid of debris before it has a chance to reach your filter. Particles exit through the side or bottom, depending on pre-cleaner style. And if you need extra protection, your cat dealer can help you pick a screen kit for your turbine. The graded screen catches even more particles. Most debris that makes it through the screen is expelled before it can clog your filter. Look over your engine air pre-cleaner during your daily walk-around. You'll want to do this because the pre-cleaner optimizes filter and component life. Make sure ports are clear so that debris can be ejected during operation. When it's time to service the pre-cleaner, or if you notice shortened filter life, remove it and put it on a work area. For this style pre-cleaner, unlock the cover and set it aside. Shake the components or the turbine to clear blockage, but don't hit it or use hard tools to get debris out. This can damage the pre-cleaner. If needed, use low-pressure compressed air to remove remaining buildup. Or for harder debris, soak it in water and dry it with low-pressure compressed air. If it has a gasket, make sure it's not cracked, peeling, brittle, or hard. If it's damaged, replace it before reassembling the pre-cleaner. For more information and support, contact your cat dealer. And always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.